The Cubot KingKong X versus the Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. Let's compare the specs of both devices side by side to see which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go, guys, the KingKong X versus the Armor 25T Pro. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.